Hey guys, very busy morning. Starting the drive at Gilmore Drive Total, right here at the intersection of Molynes Road and Washington Boulevard. There's also a Texaco across the road. Very busy intersection, a very main intersection coming in or exiting Kingston. So this is where we're starting the drive today. It's a community drive, it's a morning drive, and we're heading into Molynes Garden. So stay tuned. Remember, subscribing is free. Almost at 10,000 subscribers. We're coming far away. So subscribe to the channel. Ask somebody to subscribe as well. Let's grow the family. Remember to like the video and leave a comment and share as well. So we're entering the Molynes Garden community right here off Molynes Road. Alright, it's a very central community. Very decent homes as well. Very residential as well. House prices in these areas would range probably from a 22 or 24 mil going up for a 4-bedroom. So that price going upwards. But very nice central residential community. It's close to State Gardens, close to Zadie Gardens, and this is Molynes Gardens. So as usual, once I'm in an area, I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm gonna definitely give you guys a tour. So that's really the plan for today. So behind the houses on the right is a gully. So there's nothing else behind them. And then this leads to a street around here which can bring you back out onto the Boulevard, Washington Boulevard. The right turn leads to an apartment complex and a dead end, and the left turn will bring you back to the Total gas station, and we're gonna eventually head back that side. But let me just show you guys around this side first. Alright, so this is a gated apartment complex. The gate is open but won't go in. So this is Washington Court apartment. So these are the type of apartments over there. Very decent size as well. There's about at least 7 of those clusters that we glimpsed. Alright, so we're just gonna head straight down the road now, which will bring us right back at the Total gas station. Alright guys, so enjoy some music. Make sure your seatbelt is on and just enjoy the ride along. So we have Molynes Road on the left. Alright guys, so that was a quick community drive, Molynes Garden. As usual, trying to showcase as much of Jamaica that's possible. So remember to like, remember to leave a comment, remember to subscribe, and definitely share as well. So we're going to eventually take the right onto Molynes, which leads into Uenden, Akiwak, Red Hillside. So you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for clicking, thanks for watching, thanks for all your support, thanks for all you do. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's another one.